Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to give the introduction about sampling and sampling distributions. Here, first of all, let me explain what is the sampling. Before going to explain the sampling, in that sampling, let me give the definitions of first and then real examples I'll give. In a statistical investigations, we usually investigate a certain characteristics of a group of individuals. Such a group or large collection of individuals or attributes or numerical data is known as population or universe. And in that, if from the population, if we select a small section or a small subset from that population, is known as a sample. And the process of selecting or drawing a sample is known as sampling. Okay. Now let me give examples for this. What are the example for population? Here, whenever we go to the sweet mart, we ask for a sample of peda. Here we want to buy one full kg of peda, or one full kg of that peda we want to buy. From that, only a small piece of we are used to ask for a sample to taste whether it is good or not. Therefore, for biting just a single bite of a peda, we are deciding the population. Whole peda is good or not. That whole lot of peda is population, and from sample we are testing. Like that, in exit polls also of the elections, they are not asking every voter for their opinion. They are selecting only some regions of the voters and they are selecting that sample from that particular assembly, and then they are taking the decisions. Therefore, this is a selecting of that region is sample, and that process of selecting is nothing but sampling. And why we have to do this sampling? The main objective of the sampling is to gather a maximum information. We have to gather maximum information about that population, but with minimum effort, cost and time, to obtain best possible values of that the parameters under the specific conditions. We want to know the information about the population. For whole population or whole universe, I cannot check. That's why for small samples I am selecting, and then its information depending on that sample we are deciding the population's nature. Okay, that's why sampling is required. Now onwards, the statistical constants of the population such as mean, standard deviations are known as parameters. Okay, whenever the word parameter is coming, that is related to the population. And whereas the statistical constants of the sample, okay, statistical constants of the sample such as mean, mode, all these are nothing but known as statistics. Okay, the constants related to population are known as parameters. The constants related to sample are known as statistics. For example, mean of the sample, of the standard deviation of the sample, they are denoted like this. Okay, like this. Next I am going to explain here is sampling distribution. What is that sampling distribution then? Distribution already we discussed. Binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, all these are probability distributions, and before that frequency distributions also I discussed. Like that, now sampling distributions. Sampling distribution means what? Let me explain here. If we take a sample of size n from small n here, from a finite population of capital N, there will be then we have NCN possible ways of selecting sample. Therefore, we can select NCN type of selections we can do from that particular population and for particular samples. Then, therefore, a random sampling is a technique in which each of NC1 samples has a equal chance of selecting. Therefore, each sample will be selected in NC1 sample ways, and selecting that particular sample has got equal chance. Now, for each sample, we can compute the quantities like mean, standard deviation, mode, and everything. Then these will not be identical. These mean for each sample, they will not be identical for each sample. For further explanation of this sampling distribution, I am going to explain in my next video about the sampling distribution of means. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button as well as press the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications whenever I'm uploading the new videos. Okay, right. Let me explain what about the sampling distribution here. For each sample, we can compute the mean, standard deviation like that. Then these will not be identical. If those are not identical, then using them again I can form a frequency distribution for them. If we group these characteristics like that, mean and standard deviations, according to their frequencies, if we are the frequency distribution we are forming, okay, so formed frequency distribution is known as sampling distribution of the particular population using particular characteristic. If you are using mean of the samples, then that distribution is known as sampling distribution of means. If we are using the standard deviations of each sample, then that is known as sampling distribution of standard deviations. Like that, different sampling distributions will be existing. Then, using this, how can I define the standard error? Here, the standard deviation of a sampling distribution is called standard error. The standard deviation of a sampling distribution is formed. Its standard deviation is known as a standard error. That is, the standard error of sampling distribution of a means is known as standard error of means. And the standard error is used to assess the difference between expected and observed values. Expected values we are keeping from the samples, and observed values, to compare them we are using this standard error. And finally, the reciprocal of the standard error is known as precision. We are not going to use in detail of this one. Okay, here one more thing I would like to discuss here is sampling distribution of means. There are two types again. In sampling distribution of means, there are two types: random sampling with replacement and random sampling without replacement. Then how to compare this between population mean and standard mean, sampling distribution mean? What I find they will become equal with replacement and without replacement. All these things with an example. I am going to discuss in my next video of sampling. Okay, so friends, please subscribe my channel and view the comments. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and as well as press the bell icon so that you'll get the updates whenever I'm putting the videos. You'll get a notification in your YouTube. Okay, thank you friends. Please go to the next video. Thank you.